Alright, Tanner, it's your birthday. Happy birthday, 4-year-old. Hey! Wanna go invite the neighbor kid, Tanner? Alright, let's go. Hey, neighbor kid, wanna come to Tanner's birthday?
Who's Tanner?
My dog,
Who are you?
Gabriel.
My name is Richard.
Hey,
Yep, I'll
Richard.
come to your dog's birthday. Can I bring my dog?
If you want, what's his name?
Snart.
Dude. Snart's a
Come on,
great
Snart.
name for a dog.
Thank you.
Alright, come on, Richard. My house is over here.
Ah, this
Alright, come
house
on
really
in,
sucks.
Richard. Right
Sorry
here's
to
my
break
dog
it to you.
Tanner.
Oh,
Oh,
God. Yo,
how
Snart,
did
come
that
in.
happen?
Don't want you to get wet. Whatever. It's being a bad boy.
Alright, right here's my dog Scratch.
Oh, Scratch.
And over here's my dog Tanner. His fourth birthday.
Happy birthday, Tanner. Oh, is that Snart outside? Hey, Snart. What is he? Yeah, come on in, Snart. I'm just gonna push him in. He's being weird.
I know.
I think our dogs would be great friends.
Yes.
Hmm,
Alright, let's watch some TV.
okay.
Oh. Breaking news, Corey. There was a tornado that just touched down again near the Johnson County. The category could be EF3, so you guys better watch out. Ah, tornado! Richard, you want to go to your house?
Yeah, let's get the frick out of here.
Okay.
Come on, Snart.
Hurry! Go!
Hmm.
Oh, I almost locked Snart out.
Is Chase here? Not Chase. Speaking of my last neighbor.
Oh.
Come on, Snart.
Oh, man, I wish I had all this stuff.
Yeah. Took me a long time to become the successful
Yo,
entrepreneur that I am
Scratch!
today.
Where you going?
Scratch is acting up.
Where's she going? Scratch, come on.
I don't know. Huh.
Scratch, what are you doing?
She'll be fine.
No, I don't think she will. Come on, Scratch, go down the dang stairs. Go on, Scratch. Go on. Oh, no,
Oh,
Scratch. You know what? She's gonna be fine up
oh
there.
my god. Alright, I'm gonna go take care of something. I'll be back.
Okay. Oh, oh, you're back.
Alright,
You're back.
here you go. I got you some food.
Oh, thank you.
Can, share it with your dog or
This
something.
is really tasty. Hey. Alright, here you go, Tanner.
Hey, Snart. Being a good boy.
Alright, I think
Uh,
I'm gonna go back to my house.
yeah, alright. Be careful out there. It's really bad.
Okay. Man, I wish I had all of Richard's stuff. Man. Oh! No, the power's out! Guys, come on, come on! Alright, get inside, Scratch. Tanner, where you at? Oh, there he is. Don't run outside, Tanner. Alright, I think I'm gonna go take a nap. Ah. Guys, come on, let's go! Guys, come on! Down in the basement! What are you doing? Come on! Yo, Tanner, what are you doing? Get downstairs! What are you doing, Tanner? Get downstairs, Tanner, now. Get in your bed. Get in your bed, Tanner. Alright. Alright, Scratch, get in your bed. Ah, oh. I'm gonna go take a nap. What happened? Oh no! Oh, my roof caved in! Oh, what's that? Is that a drone in the sky? Oh, Richard! Richard! Oh, Richard, are you
Huh?
okay?
Oh, oh, oh my God, what happened?
Oh, your vault's
Oh my
destroyed!
God,
Oh, Snart's
dang
okay,
it.
Snart's okay.
Oh, alright.
Oh, everything's destroyed. Oh, what's that
Oh
in the sky?
my,
You see that?
that was cost me a fortune.
You see that?
Huh? I can't see anything. My eyesight's very blurry. Oh, oh wait. I see it. Hey, what is that?
I don't know. I think it might be like a drone or something.
Oh, wow.
Huh.
Your wall really flew, huh?
I know.
Man, everything's destroyed.
Should we keep an eye on that drone though?
I don't care. I'm gonna go try to contact someone.
Okay. I'm gonna, I don't know. I guess I'll go exploring to see what happened. Oh no. Ah. I'm gonna keep an eye on that drone. I'm gonna keep an eye on that drone. Ah.
Hey, I contacted someone.
Oh, who'd you contact?
The police.
Ah, okay.
I
Oh,
don't.
there's the drone. There's the drone.
Oh yeah, looks like it moved. Anyway,
Alright.
they said they'll be here soon,
Okay.
and they'll get someone to come pick us up.
Do you have any money with you so we can like buy food and stuff?
Ah. Well, let me go check in my vault. I have all these blocks on my floor, but that's about it. Also, I have my bank account.
How much is in there?
I don't know.
Ah.
Probably a lot. Come on,
Okay.
Snart.
Guess I'll see you in a few weeks.
Yeah. Yes, I will. See you then.
Alright, I'm gonna go live in my basement for a bit. Ah, ah. I'm going to take a nap. Ah, what a beautiful day. Oh, here's a homeless man right here. Here's a homeless man. Oh, Richard, is that you?
Oh. Hey, Gabriel.
What happened?
Uh, well, whenever I was getting people to, get my diamonds and emeralds out, they mugged me and, took it all.
Huh. Well, you can live at my house if you want. Like in the basement.
Where do you live?
Um, I live in a completely different city. I'm just here visiting this city.
Alright. Well, thanks. Sure, I guess. Guess I
Wait,
will.
what happened to your dog?
Oh, they took him to the pound.
Ah. Right,
Yeah.
come on.